Dear students, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we will discuss about the concept of average cost. So now let's discuss first of all that what is average cost and how can we calculate it. Basically, average cost is when we divide the total cost with total number of quantity produced. Then we have average cost and is denoted by AC, or the second formula for the calculation of average cost is that average cost is the sum of average fixed cost and average variable cost. As you can see that both of these formulas are written here according to these two definitions. Average cost equals to total cost divided by number of quantity, and it is represented by TC, and quantity is representing by Q. So when we divide total cost divided by quantity, then we have average cost. And the second formula for calculation of the average cost is average fixed cost plus average variable cost. Normally the average cost curve is U-shaped. In our upcoming lectures, I will explain in detail that why average cost curve is U-shaped. But as we are discussing this concept right now, so I will give you the idea about that why average cost curve is U-shaped. Average cost curve is U-shaped because of laws of return. The law of return, like increasing return to scale, decreasing return to scale, and constant return of scales, that laws will have the effect on the average cost curve. So because of these three laws, or the law of variable proportion, average cost curve is U-shaped.